This is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I will show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So first step you need to take is to remove any Google accounts you might have on this phone. So open settings, enter accounts category or password and accounts to be exact, and then just remove any Google accounts one by one. Then re-enter the Google category, tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next. Then log into your child's Google account, which I will do off the screen real quick. Then select it from the list over here and log into parental account as well. After you have successfully signed into parental account, you will be seeing the About Supervision page, so scroll it all the way down, and at the bottom there is the password field, so input the child's Google account password in it, then tap at the Agree button, and allow the supervision at the pop-up window that follows. Then wait for the child and parental accounts to be linked. And at this point, once they are, the child's end of things is complete. Completed. Complete. Is it the regular verb? I do not remember. So anyway, all following steps you can just disregard and skip real quick. Then take your parental device. Here is mine. Let me quickly decrease the screen brightness. Over here, download the Google Family Link app from the Google Play Store. It is a free app that allows you to control your child's digital activity. So let's quickly get it. So once the app is installed, you can just go ahead and launch it. Over here, make sure to log in with the parental Google account. And here is the list of controls. You have an access to all those things, allow you to fine-tune your child's digital experience, digital exposure as well. Then you can monitor your child's location, if you will, set it up on the child's phone, and see there's device usage highlights. Anyway, that will be it for this particular video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.